Fascist Narendra Modi government is systematically paving way for settler colonialism in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir by introducing new laws one after another following illegal and unilateral abrogation of the territory's special status on 5th August 2019. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said that colonialization of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has been a long pending dream of RSS and BJP, adding that including non-Kashmiri Hindus in the voter list is yet another step to advance Hindutva government's dangerous game plan in the occupied territory. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the National Conference, Congress and other political parties have flared the inclusion of non-locals in voter lists. According to Kashmir Media Service, they were reacting after the authorities empowered Tehsildars to issue a certificate of residence to those residing in Jammu for over a year to enable their registration as the voters. The funeral prayers in absentia for the martyred All-Party Hurriyat Conference senior leader Altaf Ahmad Shah was offered in Tihar Jail, India, and offered by a large number of prisoners, including APHC chairman Musarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Naeem Ahmad Khan, Muhammad Ayaz Akbar, Raja Mirajuddin Kalwal, Pir Saifullah, Farooq Ahmad Dar, and Shahidul Islam languishing in the jail. They paid rich tributes to the martyred leader for his contribution in the right to self-determination movement. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a delegation of Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League today visited Baspura, Srinagar and expressed sympathy and solidarity with the bereaved family members of the martyred senior leader of all parties Hurriyat Conference, Altaf Ahmad Shah. The delegation included Abdul Ahad Para, Farooq Ahmad Tauhidi, Riaz Ahmad, Hurriyat leaders Bilal Siddiqui, Shabir Ahmad Dar and others. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said that resolution of the Kashmir dispute is essential for durable peace in the region. Shehbaz Sharif, addressing the 6th summit of the Conference on Interaction and Confidence Building Mayors in Asia in Astana, Kazakhstan today, said that Pakistan wants better relations with India, but it depends on India.